Which you often find at night time while entering this area.
This is the Nepensea Road to Pedder Road, actually Nepensea Road to Altamount Road night drive.
Precious on the left hand side. I used to go there for a haircut when I was a kid. Beard trim, pedicure, all kinds of stuff.
It's a Friday night, it's about 3 a.m.
Left hand side, Nakul Agarwal lives there, one of our friends. Warden collection on the right.
You have to go this slowly.
And oftentimes, if you're in the city and you're looking for a cab around the area, there's a good spot. A lot of cabs on the left hand side. Hotel Shalimar, food at night, rooms.
We're approaching the Kemps Corner flyover.
Kemps Corner flyover. I'm in fact, if only Zohan was in the car, I would have gone left. I'll go straight because Karshan and Ritvik are also in the car. They live in Altamount Road. And this is landmark Bank of Baroda where Zohan Dinshaw gets off normally when we're doing this kind of a drive and drop off.
See you.
Wow.
That concludes the drive.
Wow.
See you.